G'day, Michael from the Generator Place here. I just thought I'd quickly run through some of the items that you will get when you order a service kit from the Generator Place. So you get your oil removal kit so that you can easily suck the oil out of the unit rather than having to tip the unit, which on some of the bigger units does come in very handy. You get your oil to do your oil changes, and most importantly, you get this product, stabiliser. So that's the product I wanted to quickly talk to you about. So fuel stabiliser. We find that 99% of the issues with generators are always fuel-based. Where people aren't using their generators regularly, they put it away with fuel in it, and unknowingly, unleaded fuel only lasts 2 to 3 months. So once it gets past that age, it starts to break down and turns into a gum substance in the bottom of the carburettor, which then starts blocking the jets. You then start getting a unit that's not going to run smoothly. It's going to cough and splutter, and that's because the jets are blocked. So that's why we highly recommend this product, stabiliser, and we have it in all the service kits. So you simply mix 6 mils per litre, and then the fuel will last 12 months. So it's quite expensive, it's $35 a bottle, so I'm not saying use it all the time, but when you get back from your trip and you know you're not going to be using your generator for a while, throw some fuel with stabiliser mixed in it, start the unit up, run it for 10 or 15 minutes so the bowl has that mixture in it, and then you can comfortably and confidently put your unit away for 9 to 12 months, knowing that the fuel is not going to break down and start gumming up your carby. Now, I've always been a firm believer, you don't want to leave your carby dry for long periods of time. And that's why I personally always use fuel stabiliser, because if you don't use stabiliser, there's no moisture in your carburettor, and what happens is your seals will dry out and condensation can form, which then causes rust. So if you're using fuel stabiliser, that will not occur. So as I said, when you buy a service kit from the Generator Place, that's one of the handy items that we have in there. It's definitely worth investing in if you're not using your generator all the time, as it will save you that issue of the fuel breaking down in your unit. So if you have any questions, just give us a call at the Generator Place. Jump on the website or come and see us at a show and we'd be happy to run through it with you. But great product, fuel stabiliser. Make sure you invest in some to look after your unit when you're storing it. And don't forget, Generator Place has got you covered.